Alright, today I'm going to be replacing the vacuum pump on my 9273 IDI. I realized it no longer worked when I didn't really have any powered brakes anymore. Well, at first I thought it was the brake booster, but I replaced that and it didn't make any difference. And then I tested the vacuum pump and it's not doing what it should, so I guess we'll replace that today. Okay, I'll start with loosening off this nut on the alternator to loosen off that belt. Vacuum pump is right down there. And the ones that hold the vacuum pump itself on are these bolts, but since I can't really get to them from here, I'll just take these two out, which just takes the bracket with it. There. To just I also got to take these three bolts out and put it on here. Alright. Okay, so this old clamp that was on there is pretty much toast and they're hard to use, so I'm going to just throw an old normal hose clamp on there. So it goes on there like that. There, that should do the trick. At least they hit the floor. Alright, there we go. Just gotta hook up that hose yet, and I think we should be good to test it. That should do it. Alright, let's fire it up, see what it does. that is some awesome news. We got brakes again. I think it brakes better now than it ever has that I've owned it. So yeah, I held my foot on the brakes and gave her some throttle, and the thing didn't want to budge. So, and after the vacuum pump went, there was no way that the brakes would hold the truck. But yeah, I would call that a success.